Hey, crypto fam! We're talking about market caps, and today we're asking a bold question. Can Cardano's ADA token, the ninth largest crypto by market cap, actually flip USDC, the stablecoin giant, and break into the top 7? This isn't just about price. It's about network adoption, utility, and a potential seismic shift in the crypto rankings. If ADA flips USDC, what does that mean for its price? Let's dive in. Alright, let's set the stage. As of now, Cardano's ADA sits at a market capitalization of around $26.73 billion, trading at roughly 76 cents. Now, look at USDC, Circle's stablecoin, which ranks 7th with a hefty $61 billion market cap. To flip USDC, ADA needs to more than double its current market cap. Specifically, if its circulating supply of 35.32 billion tokens remains the same, ADA's price would need to hit approximately $1.75. That's a whopping 132% rally from its current levels. Sounds like a lot, right? If you've been in crypto for a while, you know ADA is no stranger to massive rallies. During the 2020 to 2021 bull cycle, ADA wasn't just rallying by 132%, it exploded by over 10,000%. It went from a mere 3 cents all the way to its all-time high near $3.10. Think about that, a 10,000% gain. More recently, just in 2024, ADA showed its strength again, climbing nearly 303.5% from around 34 cents to $1.32 in a matter of months. When you compare these historic surges to the 132% needed to flip USDC, it starts to look quite achievable, especially if market conditions continue to be bullish for Cardano. So, what are the specific drivers that could propel Cardano past USDC? There are some powerful catalysts aligning for ADA right now. First up, and this is massive, is Cardano's partnerships with US banks to launch its own fiat-backed stablecoin product, USDM. This isn't just another stablecoin. USDM is built natively on the Cardano blockchain, aiming to be a fully compliant and transparent competitor to giants like USDC and USDT. This move signals growing institutional trust in Cardano's decentralized infrastructure, and it could dramatically boost on-chain liquidity and utility. Think about the amount of capital that could flow into Cardano's ecosystem through USDM. Secondly, we've seen figures like former BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes highlighting long-standing issues around stablecoins' centralization and Wall Street's increasing influence in the sector. This amplifies the need for decentralized alternatives, playing right into Cardano's strengths. Beyond stablecoins, Cardano has recently integrated with Bitcoin. This is huge for cross-chain DeFi, aiming to attract more liquidity and streamline transactions between two of the biggest blockchains. More liquidity and easier transactions mean more utility for ADA. And finally, something that could be an absolute game changer. The chances of an ADA ETF approval are heating up. Market confidence on platforms like Polymarket is climbing, with some anticipating a decision by year-end. An approved ADA ETF would open the floodgates for significant institutional capital, drawing in a whole new class of investors who currently can't easily access crypto. This kind of influx would be monumental for ADA's market cap. Even AI is seeing the potential. When asked about the possibility of Cardano surpassing USDC in market capitalization, ChatGPT offered a notably bullish outlook. It stated, "A thriving Cardano ecosystem and shifting market sentiment could make this flip more than just speculation. A notable price surge driven by institutional adoption, growing retail interest, and key network upgrades could definitely boost ADA and have it outshine USDC." The AI bot even provided some specific price targets that could get ADA ahead of USDC's current $61 billion market cap. A move to $1.75 would get ADA to USDC's current market cap. But it also highlighted that with continued growth and significant inflows, ADA could even push toward $2 or higher if it truly gained momentum and attracted substantial new capital. This isn't just about hitting a number, it's about a thriving ecosystem driving that price. Now, as always in crypto, it's crucial to look at both sides of the coin. While the case for ADA flipping USDC is strong, there are risks that could limit this possibility. One of the most notable challenges is the lack of clear and consistent regulation in the cryptocurrency industry. An unfavorable ruling or a sudden shift in regulatory policy in major jurisdictions could trigger prolonged legal battles, stall development, and limit investor access. This is a constant overhang for the entire crypto market. Additionally, while Cardano's ecosystem is growing, it still lacks the deep institutional backing seen with Bitcoin or Ethereum. It faces concerns around the speed of its adoption and developer engagement compared to some of its rivals. While it has a loyal community, broader adoption is key, and if that pace slows, it could weigh on long-term confidence. Finally, let's remember USDC's unique position. It's a stablecoin that provides stable, non-speculative solutions for payments and international settlements. Its utility extends beyond trading. It's used for real-world transactions that drive constant demand. Unlike ADA, USDC's core purpose is stability. These fundamental differences in utility suggest USDC could be more resilient and harder to flip, even with a strong Cardano price breakout. It's comparing apples and oranges in terms of primary function, even if they're both in the crypto basket. So, what's my final take? Flipping USDC's $61 billion market cap is undeniably ambitious for Cardano. But is it a reality? Absolutely. With the current bullish momentum in the market, strategic advancements like the launch of USDM, increasing institutional interest, and its robust technical development, ADA is well positioned to challenge and potentially flip Circle's stablecoin from the top 10 list. This wouldn't just be a win for Cardano, it would be a huge statement about the power of decentralized platforms. Before we wrap up, a very important disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and inherently risky. You could lose some or all of your investment. Always conduct your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. I am not a financial advisor, and these are my personal opinions and market observations. What do you think? Can ADA really flip USDC this market cycle? Let me know your predictions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth crypto analysis, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and stay crypto.